Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Baby. Cute little baby. Come on, let's go take pictures over here. That's a good light too. Jamila, get in it. Camille. There you go, stick out.
Yeah, he said black pool.
Here. That's a better picture. Mila. Oh, it's better light.
I brought a live alligator with us. I'm gonna pull him out, show you a few things about him, and then y'all can pass around and get a picture with him. Got one you can hold. This is American alligator. This is about 2.5 feet length. This is 3 years old. And when they're young like this, there's stripes on their body. That's to camouflage them. As he gets older, he's gonna lose those stripes. And he feeds on like...
Hold it tight. Not too tight. Take the picture, babe. Take the picture with her phone.
Does it do bananas?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Hold it tight. I look at it, baby.
I feel bad for that.
That is a big one.
Take them out.
I caught a turtle in my hand.
There's 2 turtles on the log on the right side up there. Right on the other side of the cypress tree on the right side.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that fish that just jumped out the water. Oh, it's swimming.
You gotta see it.
Oh, yeah.
That's how good these things hide.
It is.
You came back in nighttime, shine a spotlight, you see them a lot easier.
When we did the tour, she was like, be careful, there's Dookie. I was like, and that's because we had such a big group, she was like, Dookie.
Tempted is the name of it. It's with Burt Reynolds, Peter Fontanelli, Safran Burrows. A lemon date filmed back here, Wild Boys, they filmed the Kia commercial. Scenes of Blackwater, Jonah Hex, Django Unchained, Beautiful Creatures, Hatchet. That's some of my recent ones. We're gonna go down this canal. There should be about 3 of them back there.
I told you. Like brown. Shea butter.
Yeah, we got the shea butter. Oh, somebody playing.
This is swampland in the background. The water over the land, swampland. This way you see trees in the water. Look on that bank right here on the right. See the gate on the right side on the bank? About a 6-foot gator laying up on that bank.
No, right there.
Oh, there he is, yeah.
See him laying behind that palmetto plant?
Yeah, he's chilling. He's right behind the plant, directly behind it.
Camille.
Here, he's right there.
Camille.
Yeah, nice.
Back up.
Saying hi. Watch, the boat's gotta go up a little more. We can't see it from where we're at.
Yeah, he's right there. That person.
He's hiding in behind that plant.
Dragonflies all in here.
He's chasing an alligator.
Don't put my finger on.
There's a golden silk spider, he's harmless. They have just enough venom to kill that prey, which is an insect. Golden silk spider. That web right there is made out of silk. If it's a female, he'll leave it alone. If it's a male, he doesn't want competition. He's going after it. Now, if that was a bigger male, it would try to fight him. That's not big enough to fight him.
Wow.
That's probably one of his girlfriends.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably getting
Where was you last night? You better not been with that Aisha.
See that link though, he's missing it? That's actually pretty common.
Big.
That's what I'm looking for.
He's right there.
I knew he was around here. He's about 400 pounds. This one's about 10 feet in length.
Where is he? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's right there. He kind of blends in. Yeah.
The way,
See his
the way you
head?
tell a length
See
of
his
an
head?
alligator from the tip of the snout to the eyes,
see
every
it.
inch is 1 foot. So I'm saying it's 10 inches from the tip of the snout to his eyes. That's what
Oh,
makes it
right
count.
there.
Right there.
That's going to be a male. He's the third largest one we have back here.
Yeah.
That's the biggest one I found so far today. See how easy it is to pass these things up? These things hide really good. We just passed right here. He's hoping that that's that broken rail you're leaning on that right side.
See this branch?
I'm willing to bet y'all would walk on water if that rail broke. Y'all wouldn't even get wet.
Where?
Right over here in the
Oh,
back,
look at
where
that.
it's coming towards us.
See another one in front? Okay. That may be that 7-foot one I was looking for earlier. Let me see which one it is.
Oh, that's a baby.
Is it a small one? There's one around here about
Well, not a baby, but a small
He
one.
run under.
Yeah.
He's like, fake.
Get yours. No photos, please.
Where's the one at?
He went under.
I want to see which one it is because there's one about 5 feet in length. He's missing, I think it's his back right leg.
4.